Welcome to Clover Wheels channel. In this model episode, we will do unboxing of new VW LT35 van from IXO. Real-scale VW LT vans were produced from 1975 until 1996. As it was a platform, there were countless variations to choose from. Single cab body from LT was used as a cabin for manned small trucks. Now, this generation of LT became a rare sight. But still, it outlived most of its age rivals. IXO have made a lot of racing teams support vans. I have chosen this LT because of its beautiful Mazda racing team paint scheme. This model is highly detailed, and have brittle parts. Antenna, ladder and roof rack are made from thin metal. Underneath of this model is highly detailed too. Overall, this is great addition to collection. IXO continues to make great die-cast models for reasonable price. Hope that you liked this video. Please write in the comments what kind of race support team van you have.